Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addis. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedo Pot. Well, I practically grow 100 cucumbers in less than 20 feet. I just put my seeds in these planters, put my plant in the planter, it grows my food for me. I don't have to grow my food anymore. And it's so easy because I can pick and choose what I want to eat and when I want to eat it. And I love it. And so that's what Torpedo Pot is. It's a self-growing planting system. Where you simply grow your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. You don't need to grow your food anymore. Use the system to grow your food for you. And it does it so well. Notice how all these cucumbers are perfect. All 20 pounds. First harvest. 30 cuties. And we have a lot more to go. A lot more to grow. And these planters kick them out for me. So now I can have nutrition at my doorstep. See, the seeds needed to grow 20 pounds of cuties, in this case, to grow 100 cucumbers, the seeds needed to grow that, well, they cost me probably less than a nickel. Excuse me, less than a quarter. And I'll get close to 40, 50 pounds of cuties. Now, the thing about it, I could let these grow, okay? And they'll get big and nice, and they grow fast too. But I don't need to, because my diet requires that I have them young and tender. I'm not looking for anything hard. Guys, my Torpedo Pot grows my food for me. And all I do is put my seeds and my plants in, and you can have an abundance of food also. This is no trick, this is no gimmick. Torpedo Pot is a scientific wonder. It's designed to pull the carbon out of the air and put the food on your plate. And that's all around you. The more of you that's present in this plant's environment, the faster and the better it grows. Having a farming system this close to your house to grow your food, it's a standard moving forward. You gotta really have it. Beautiful thing. So when I eat my food from my Torpedo Pot, my food is perfect. Can you tell? There's no blemishes on any of these. This is perfect food. Perfect food. I mean, in every way. These cuties are beautiful. No defects, nothing, no flaws. And it grows it as if that was what it's genetically designed to be. And I love it, because look, the nutrition on the inside of that, growing in a Torpedo Pot. Uh-oh, oh, there you go. Now that's the way your cutie should look, baby boy. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? You're looking at it for the first time. And it's so tender. Mmm. It calms down my stomach. It's good. Really good. I needed this. I waited for this. It's delicious. Really good. Let me stop eating. So good, it's making me sweat. Torpedo pot grows your food. You think you're growing organic, healthy food? Well, you're not. We stimulate the microbes in the soil to grow your food, and that's why we grow so much food. Our torpedo pot grows hundreds and hundreds of these cuties, thousands of these cuties, depending upon what setup you get. And look, no defects, no blemishes, no nothing. This is the way food is supposed to be. It's supposed to look like this. 20 pounds of cuties, and they're perfect. No flaws, no blemishes anywhere. Look at that, that's perfect food. That's amazing. That's torpedo pot. I love it. Can you tell I work in produce? Oh man, it's so exciting. I'm fumbling all over myself. I love it. Last year we harvested 26 watermelons from the same planters. The year before that we harvested 21 pounds of carrot parts from the same planters. The year before that we harvested kale and pea pods from the same planters. Torpedo pot is designed to grow your food. Funny thing about growing cucumbers is that all that you see in this growing environment, we let them grow really big, they're way more, without more tonnage. If we keep them small, they'll be tender, and they'll be a prime product to have. Let's try another one. It's too big. Let's try a smaller one. I want this right here. This is what I want right there. Okay, we'll wash it off. Notice, we don't have to turn over the ground. We don't have to come outside and water. We don't have to do anything. We don't need a spade, we don't need a trowel, we don't need a shovel. We don't even need something to grow our seedlings in. We just store our seeds in the planter. It grows our food for us. You never have to grow your food again. It's done, man. I love this. Look at this. This is my secondary cutter, so it's not as sharp as I like to have it, but I use it for outdoors. It's gorgeous. And guys, this is what torpedo pot grows. Isn't that amazing? That's my cutie. And they're all perfect. Do you see any blemishes for any of those cuties? Not at all. Torpedo pot is one of the world's first self-growing planter. Well, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and you let it grow your food, and you'll have hundreds of pounds of vegetables. That's my cutie. Look at my cutie. Is she succulent and delicious? It's not hard like you see in your stores. She's delicious. She's soft. She's tender. This is what a cutie is supposed to look like. A cucumber is supposed to look like. That's a real cucumber. And you suck it up like you do a melon. My torpedo pots grow my food. And that's what I have. I eat my food. I enjoy it. Like eating a melon. This is beyond delicious. It's good. It's really good. So, my goal is to get you involved. Some of you have never started a business before. It was very, very fear, but not a fear, failure. That's okay, it's normal. And some of you will fail. Sometimes failing is a part of succeeding, and for others, maybe it was simply not for them. It's okay, it's no problem. But torpedo pot will grow, and we will absorb you in any fashion that we can, because everyone is a part of the living and growing environment. No one can be left out. And we stay in our lane, which is food. We specialize in food. And so, God bless you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.